For many, the world is best when seen at a slant. When you can feel the power of the engine in your arms, the wind in your face, and the hum of the bike in your belly. You can hardly improve on the pleasure of the experience, but you can make it considerably safer. With MSC, Motorcycle Stability Control from Bosch. The MSC system now supports motorcyclists in all driving situations, helping them maintain control while braking and accelerating, on straight stretches, and in curves. The system continuously collects and evaluates all key motorcycle data: wheel speed, lean angle, pitch angle, acceleration, braking pressure, and many other parameters. It can thus recognize critical situations and intervene in time. MSC can prevent the wheels from locking, help stop them from side slipping on curves, and stop the motorcycle from righting itself when braked from a lean angle. The system distributes the braking force optimally to both wheels, even when only one brake is actuated. Motorcycle Stability Control will only ever make its presence felt when it's needed. The system is designed to work in the background without affecting the dynamic performance of the bike or the thrill of the ride. With MSC, the motorcycling experience is just as unique and exhilarating as ever. But now it comes equipped with a reassuring sense of safety as well.